How to switch your Instagram account from business to personal. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can switch your Instagram account from business to personal. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you might have a business account on Instagram, right? And then you want to switch that to a personal account. Now if you're a public figure, it's not really an issue, but if you're a business and so on, when you switch to personal, you're going to lose access to all of this professional dashboard, the insights, your follower insights and so on. So you just have to keep that thing in mind. So what you need to do is, after this, just tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then here you'll find the option called settings. Once you go to settings, here you want to go to the option called account, and then once you go to account, you can just go to the option called switch account type, and then here you'll find the option called switch to personal account. You just want to tap on it, and it'll ask you, do you want to switch to personal account? When you switch back to personal account, in-app insights will be turned off, and insights from all the content including your ads will be permanently removed. So this is one of the most important things you want to keep in mind when you switch from a business to a personal account. But you still want to do it, just tap on this red button that says switch to personal account. I'm not going to do it because my business account is actually legit and working, so I'll not be able to do that. But you can go ahead and just tap on that button in order to go ahead and switch it to a personal account on Instagram. And that's all it takes to go ahead and switch from business account to personal account on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.